Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome once again to online session with the topic descriptive writing. Please open your exercise booklet, page 107. So we will talk about descriptive writing, descriptive essay. What is descriptive writing? Descriptive writing creates a picture of a person, place, thing, or event. A good description works with all of the senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, hearing. Descriptive writing is the only type of writing which can be and should be used in all other forms: expository, narrative, and persuasive. So in descriptive writing we use all five senses. We have to use such words which convey a message, same like through we convey our sight and smell, taste, or touch, and here it should be convincing, like all with full of all five senses words. Characteristics of descriptive writing. Good descriptive writing includes many vivid sensory details that paint a picture and appeals to all of the reader's senses of sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste when appropriate. Descriptive writing may also paint pictures of the feelings the person, place, or thing invokes in the writer. So vivid sensory detail, it means should give clear crystal picture which could create clear portrayal or a picture description in the reader's mind. So descriptive writers use imagery. They use vivid verbs and awesome adjectives with lots of details to paint a picture in the reader's mind. So one thing you would come across again and again, they would use certain types of very good adjective and words which could inculcate in readers' minds a picture, just like a video or a movie is being played in their minds. Good descriptive writing often makes use of figurative language such as analogies, similes, and metaphors to help paint the picture in the reader's mind. Good descriptive writing uses precise language, exact language. General adjective, nouns, and passive verbs do not have a place in good descriptive writing. Use specific adjectives and nouns and strong action verbs to give life to the picture you are painting in the reader's mind. Now from these highlighted red words you come to know these are important one, that you have to focus. You have to use figurative language in which simile, he is as, big, like, analogies, metaphors in which you describe something with the help of other thing. For example, rose is a flower. So you say rose is a flower having red color. So when you say that she is as beautiful as a rose, is simile, but if when you say she is rose, it's a metaphor. Again, another example, when you use like example, he is as brave as a lion, is simile. When you say he's a lion, so he's a lion is a metaphor. So we use in descriptive writing these kind of language or language techniques. Good descriptive writing is organized. Some ways to organize descriptive writing include chronological, I mean time, spatial, location, and order of importance. When describing a person, you might begin with the physical description followed by how person thinks, feels, and acts. So there should be complete organization regarding time and location. The technical words we use: chronological and spatial. Now look at this chart, how to use the 5 senses in your essay. For example, taste. Think about things like flavor and texture. What kinds of spices can you taste? Is it chewy or tender? Same about touch. How the surface of something you are touching feel. Is it rough or smooth? Cold or hot? Again, about sight, texture, surface, something you are touching feel rough or smooth, cold or hot. Same like scent. So smell great or smell terrible. Same about sound. Are you hearing a scrape or a scratch, a bang or a pop? Like with sight, describing sound can be done by using other similar sound. So the words which gives this kind of effect in the writing. Now this is an example about this is one the paragraph example being shown through colors. So sense of sight being indicated through yellow colors. Her eyes were sharp, past, blackened. Sense of smell in blue, and the other likewise. So you can find out for yourself. Now about grammar in descriptive writings, rules of the grammar. Correctly implies standard English usage, including subject verb agreement, pronoun reference, and the 8 part of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. Ensure that verbs agree with compound subject. You have to take care about grammar in your writing, in descriptive writing in this case. So you have to take care that you use all part of speech accordingly. Use verb tenses appropriately and consistently, such as present, past, future, perfect, and progressive. So you don't have to mix up sometime present, sometime past, sometime future. There should be a correlation and order and grammatical structure. Identify and properly use indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronoun, the use of indefinite pronoun, you have to use something, anything. These are indefinite pronouns. Use adjective, comparative, and superlative forms and adverbs appropriately to make writing vivid or precise. Vivid, clear; precise, exact. Use prepositional phrases to elaborate written ideas. So prepositional phrases you have to use to explain, elucidate, elaborate, explain written ideas clearly. Use conjunction to connect ideas meaningfully. So conjunction, you know about these in grammar. So you have once again to look all those grammatical structure in order to clear the idea about these terms and terminology. Use regular and irregular plurals correctly. Write with increasing accuracy when using pronoun case such as he and they join him. So you have to be careful about using pronoun case. Pronoun case means whether you are talking about that pronoun as a subjective case or as a possessive case or as a objective case. Punctuate correctly to clarify and enhance meaning, such as using hyphens, semicolons, colons, possessives, and sentence punctuation. You have to take care about punctuation and about all these commas, full stop, hyphen, question mark, and exclamation, because it's part of your writing, descriptive writing or any kind of writing. There is a sample descriptive paragraph. The movie theater is an exciting place where people can relax and enjoy the experience. The warm scent of popcorn emanates throughout the cinema, and a waft of chocolate delights the ear. Pitter-patter of young children's feet scampering about the arcade creates a feeling of anticipation and joy before the movie begins. Youthful couples and sleepy grandparents saunter through the doors. As the movie begins, the soft cushions allow tired body to sink and rest. Everyone's minds are taken to a miniature vacation as they watch the movie before them. The cinema is an extraordinary place to spend downtime. So you can see lots of descriptive words in the form of adjective, awful, adjectives, and words related to all five senses you could find. Homework. Write the following pages as your homework. Pages 104 and 108. Thank you very much and have a nice day.